All right, today I'm going to show you how to use the drawing tool to create a sight word activity in Seesaw. So you're going to click the plus button, share activity, and then create new. Then I'm going to label it as sight words. Normally I would type directions here so that my students would have a visual of what buttons to push because I know how to add the icons, and that's also in my presentation. You're going to add voice directions, though I'm going to add those right now. Just a quick, you want to make sure that you tell them what tools to press, what buttons to press, and what you expect from them. So I will record that really quick. Click the green add button, find your name to add to your journal. Click the drawing tool or the T to move around the letters on the activity to create the right sight words. The sight words you'll be building today is the word said and the word one. If you need a resource for these, one is our new sight word this week, which is on our special word wall. Said will be on our word wall under the. Once you've built the word said and one, you're going to press the record button and record yourself reading the sight word and then spelling it. So if you're building the word look, you would say look, L-O-O-K. When you're completed, you'll push the stop button, push the green check button 2 times to post to your journal. So I explained not only what tools they needed and what buttons they needed, but also the sight words. I kind of gave an example. So I'm going to add a template for students and use the drawing tool. And then I'm going to click the T label button. Then I'm going to type just one letter at a time of what letters I'm going to need. I like to change it to the green one because the green is a little bit more kindergarten friendly. So I change the style to a little bit. So I push style, green one. You can change it to whatever you want. Sometimes the kids like to change it to different ones. Now I'm going to do the letters I need for said. I'm just doing one letter at a time. That way they can move the letters around and they won't get confused about what letters they need to be using. If you wanted to make it harder, you could just have them write the sight words that you asked them to, and then they can record themselves writing it and saying it. This, I feel like, makes it a little bit easier for them, but it still checks their knowledge of the sight word. So once I'm done, that's completed. I'm going to click that I'm done, click the green, and that's all. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click the green check button. It's going to have that as my template. Preview. What my students will do is click the green add button. They can hear my directions. They'll click the T, and then they can move the sight word letters around to build the sight words. If you'd like to see a student example of that, it's in my student examples on the slideshow. So I'm going to push share. And then there it is for all of my students. So they'll go to activities, and then on theirs it will look a little different, but they'll push the green plus button and add it to their journal. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.